Hello. Today we will keep continued exercise 11.1 question 2. Mrs. Kausik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle. Of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Okay, now see the figure. This is a plot, and she wants to build a house in middle. Okay, 20 meter, 25 meter, 25 meter, 1.5 meter. These are the measure is given. So how to build? So area of the square plot equal to L square, length multiply length. Okay, 25 multiply 25. હા મેં કહ્યું ને આજે તમને થોડું નેટનો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે એટલે અવાજ નહીં આવતો હોય બરાબર. So area of the square plot equal to 25 multiply 25 L square. 25 multiply 25 will be 625. So area of the house, length multiply breadth, 20 multiply 15. Okay, 20 multiply 15. 20 multiply 15 will be 300 meter square. Now area of the garden. She wants to make garden between the boundary of the plot and house. So area of the garden equal to area of the plot minus area of the house. So area of the square plot is 625 meter square minus area of the house equal to 300 meter square. So 625 minus 300 equal to 325 meter square. Now we have find the cost of making garden between the house and boundaries of the field. Okay. Now the cost of developing a garden per square meter, we have given the rate that is 55 rupees per meter square. This rate is only for 1 meter square, and we have find the rate that is 325 meter square. Okay, therefore the total cost of developing the garden equal to 325 multiply 55. Do this multiply in your notebook. What answer will you obtain? Do multiply. 325 multiply 55. 17,875 rupees cost of developing the garden. Okay, so in this way we can find the cost of making garden between the blank place, house and boundaries of the field. Okay, now question 3. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Figure is given. That figure you have draw in your notebook. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Here length is given in bracket. Length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. Then we can find the length of the garden. This instruction is given in question. Use this instruction and we can find the answer. Now solution. Area of the garden equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the two semicircular ends. Area of the rectangle 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 multiply 7 meter square plus, you can see in figure, semicircular two sides, so 2 multiply 1 upon 2 pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square and area of the semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi r square. Okay, so 1 upon 2 multiply pi multiply 7 upon 2. Okay, radius will be 7 upon 2 meter square. So 13 multiply 7 meter square plus 2 will be cut, 7 square 49 and 2 square is 4. Okay, 13 sevens are 91 meter square plus
Green Feron.
91 meter square plus 49 upon 4 multiply 22 upon 7. હેલો વચ્ચે કોણ બોલે છે? ઓફ યોર માઇક્રોફોન. લેપ કરી દઉં છું હમણાં, રિમૂવ કરી દઉં. 7 7 जा 49 will be cut, 2 2 जा 4 and 11 2 जा 22. 11 7 जा 77. So 91 plus 77 upon 2.
પેજ બદલો ને.
શું?
પેજ આ સર સેકન્ડ નંબર હતું તો સર એનો
આ સેકન્ડ નંબર તો થઈ ગયો તમારો. જુઓ ને, હવે થર્ડ નંબર આવ્યા આપણે. ક્વેશ્ચન 3. સો ટેકિંગ ધ LCM.
સર પણ એનો આન્સર નથી દેખાતો.
કોનો? પણ હમણાં તમારે થોડું લખવાનું છે, પછી લખજો. ઓનલાઈન લેક્ચર પૂરું થાય ને પછી લખજો, હમણે ના લખશો કશું.
જોઈએ સર, ખબર પડે ને સર, પણ ખબર પડે ને.
અરે પણ થર્ડ નંબરનો આન્સર તો દેખાય છે. જુઓ, સેકન્ડ નંબરનો આન્સર આ રહ્યો, જુઓ છે કે નહીં? 17,875 રૂપીસ. પાછળ રૂપીસ લખ્યું નથી, બરાબર? રૂપીસ લખજો, કોસ્ટ છે એટલે.
સર એકવાર સ્ક્રીન રોટેટ.
ચલો, આવી ગયો કમ્પ્લીટ સ્ક્રીન. જુઓ, ઓકે. Now take LCM. 91 multiply 2, 182 plus 77. You will obtain 259 by taking LCM upon 2 meter square. 259 upon 2. Divide this. You will obtain 129.5 meter square. This is the area of the garden. Now we have find perimeter of the garden. So perimeter of the garden equal to 2 multiply into bracket 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meter plus 2 multiply pi 7 upon 2 meter. Okay. Now 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, you will obtain 13. 13 2 za 26. Plus 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 7 upon 2. 7 7 will be cut, 2 2 will be cut, only 22 remains. 26 plus 22, you will obtain 48 meter. Remember, perimeter answer will be in meter or centimeter, but area answer will be in meter square or centimeter square. Okay, you have remember also unit of the perimeter and area. Okay, perimeter means sum of the all side of the given figure. Okay, it will be in plus, it will be in meter or centimeter, but area will come in meter square or centimeter square. Okay, so today only two questions we have done, question 2 and question 3. Okay, these two questions you have to write in
Okay, sir.
your notebook.
Okay.
At the 11:30 video will be sent. After 11:30 video will be sent at your home on WhatsApp. Okay.